Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So today we're diving into the world of super-automatic espresso machines, starting with the Philips 3200 series, model EP 3246/74. It promises fresh bean coffee with minimal fuss.
And I'm excited to talk about the Jura E6, model 15465. Jura's a big name, and this machine aims to revolutionize your coffee enjoyment.
Okay, so both are targeting that push-button barista experience, right? Exactly. The Philips highlights making 5 different drinks: espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato at the touch of a button thanks to its LatteGo system.
The Jura boasts versatility, grinding, tamping, brewing, frothing, and self-cleaning in under 60 seconds. A customer raved about how easy it is to use, even compared to a Breville.
Under a minute? That self-cleaning feature is a huge plus. The Philips LatteGo system is also designed for easy cleaning. Philips claims it takes only 15 seconds under the tap.
The Jura has integrated maintenance programs and even an optional pre-ground coffee chute. So if you occasionally want to use something other than fresh beans, you've got that option. Cleaning and maintenance are definitely key considerations.
Absolutely. This Philips also features durable ceramic grinders, good for at least 20,000 cups, according to Philips. That's a lot of coffee.
The Jura counters with its professional aroma grinder, which they claim extracts 12.2% more aroma from the beans. They're really focusing on the quality of the grind.
Aroma is key to a great cup. Right, the Philips has 12 grind settings, letting you really fine-tune your coffee's flavor profile.
The Jura lets you customize even more. You can program the coffee's strength, volume, temperature, milk foam amount, and even hot water temperature. It's all about personalization.
Oh, the Philips features the Aroma Extract System, intelligently balancing brewing temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius, and aroma extraction for optimal flavor.
Jura uses a pulse extraction process, or PEP, for professional quality espresso. It uses 8th generation brewing unit with 3D brewing technology. Sounds like some serious innovation. Both sound like they're aiming for that perfect, consistent cup every time.
Yeah, and the Philips has an AquaClean filter. Philips claims you won't need to descale for up to 5,000 cups if you change the filter when prompted.
The Jura also uses a filter, but doesn't specify a number of cups before descaling is needed. It focuses more on the purity of the water and its impact on taste.
Okay, so the Philips is really pushing the ease of cleaning and long-term maintenance, especially with that anti-descaling promise.
The Jura is highlighting its customizability, the quality of its grind, and its advanced extraction process. It seems geared towards coffee aficionados who want more control. Plus, it has videos showcasing its features.
It really depends on your priorities and budget, I guess. The Jura is significantly more expensive, currently listed around $1,699, while the Philips, well, it's currently unavailable, listed as renewed, and customer reviews are mixed. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.